Yo, what is up, guys? I know it's been a minute. Trust me, I know, like, I'm trying to be consistent as I can between, work and family and stuff, the holidays, but things got crazy. Things still are crazy. So, yeah, today we're just going to do a quick little update on what's been going on, what's going on with the channel, the plans and stuff. I know a lot of you are kind of, probably feeling like you got left in the dark because of the previous video. I kind of haven't said anything since then. Like, I've posted a little bit in here and there on like social media and stuff, but yeah, today we're going to get into what exactly is going on and pretty much like where we're going to go from here. So let's just jump straight into it. So pretty much what's going on right now is, from the last video, yes, the MV's motor blew. I told you guys that I would get a parts list and let you guys, kind of, know what's going on, as things happen. Fortunately, that, hasn't been the case, but I mean, that's life. So like I said, a lot of stuff's been going on. I kind of just left things alone for a while with the MV because honestly I didn't know what to do. Like, I pretty much, like, I contemplated selling it a lot because, prior to this whole thing happening, like, I lost one of my friends, in an accident, and it really kind of made me rethink everything. So for like a solid month or two, I was just like thinking about selling it, and like I said, during that time was actually when the motor blew. So, I kind of thought maybe that was a sign that I should just, stop, get rid of it for now, just not ride for a minute, wait till I was just in a better spot. Fast forward to now, so I'm not thinking like that anymore. I kind of just, the way I see it is, I don't think I should stop riding. I really enjoy riding. It's literally part of my life. Bikes have always been in my family since day one, so it's kind of hard to just give up that lifestyle. That's pretty much how I've met like so many people and how I've made so many friends and connections. So I don't think I'm going to be getting off of twos anytime soon. With that being said, as far as the MV is concerned, so I've been talking to OC over the past couple months, and really it just boils down to them just not getting the parts from MV. Like, I'm literally waiting on just two intake valves. So they have all the parts except for those two, and I'm literally just waiting on that. So once I get those two parts in, you know what I'm saying, like, hopefully we can get this bike back together and, get it back on the road. That way I can make content for you guys and stuff again. This channel, the whole purpose of the channel and making it was for that bike because, as a lot of you have said, in the comments and stuff, like, y'all are like, thank you for making this video. There's no videos of this, like, that's why I started this channel, because, I was trying to figure out how to do just simple stuff like maintenance, or just, trying to find out more about these bikes, like more DIY stuff that, people have done. And it's just like, there's no real good videos and stuff. So, I wanted to try to, help you guys out, you know what I'm saying, and just people that were in the same boat as me, because, you know, it's intimidating getting into these bikes. So, you know, if, you know, I can be that guy that makes DIY videos that helps people, you know, feel more comfortable getting these bikes, then, you know, I'm all for it, because I absolutely love these bikes. You know, even though like MV is, you know, a pain to deal with. I mean, we're going on almost a year now of this motor being blown, and, you know, like I said, at first we thought we were getting a new motor, and then they came back and said, no, like, we don't have a motor to give you, after like a month or two of waiting to figure it out. And then, you know, luckily they sent like 98% of the parts for the bike, like I think a month or two later. But yeah, like, I know it's probably not like what you guys want to hear, but, you know, that's pretty much how it's, you know, playing out. Is just I have to wait on parts, and, you know, it's been a struggle, because like I said, I want to keep making content, you know, for you guys and stuff. And, you know, I don't really make content that much with my other vehicles, because, you know, they weren't the reason I made this channel. I made it, you know, for the fact of, like I said, those people that want these bikes and they want to know how to be able to work on them, you know, at the bare minimum, do like, you know, basic maintenance and, you know, some fun upgrades. But, you know, I think that, you know, I may start doing content again. Just, I'll be, you know, doing content on my other vehicles, just to, you know, be more consistent and just really take this serious, and, you know, try to take it to the next level. Like I said, I have, you know, my RX-8, which, you know, I have another problem with that car, so like I'll probably make a video after this about that. And then also, like, you know, the Gixxer, like, I can make some videos with that, or just simply just start riding it more and like going to meets and stuff again, because I've just kind of been laying low like these past couple months. But yeah, that's pretty much like the update. Yeah, like, that's pretty much what it boils down to. I'm kind of just waiting on parts from MV, and, you know, honestly, it seems like they're kind of just going back to how they were before, and it's really not looking good for them right now. So, you know, hopefully this is just like, you know, a little slump for them or something, because, I mean, like I said, I have friends that have these bikes that, like, you know, like I said, one of my friends has a blown motor, and, you know, MV, they're not trying to honor like his warranty and stuff. So it's like, I can't really, you know, see myself sticking with the brand if like their brand new bikes have issues and then they don't want to honor a warranty. Like, I was super excited for, you know, the Super Veloce 1000, because it's already a beautiful bike, and now that it's, you know, in the 1000 form, like, I was, you know, kind of looking to get another 1000. I was looking at getting another RSV, getting a RSV4, or getting another MV, and, you know, hearing that kind of, it kind of hurts my spirit a little bit, because, you know what I'm saying, I absolutely love these bikes, man. They're beautiful, they sound amazing, they're so fun to ride, and they're just so special. But I can't do it if I just can't see myself doing it if, you know, if I have a warranty and then, like, you know, I go to a shop because something happens to it and it's a known issue and they're supposed to be able to fix it under the warranty, but they choose, you know, to try to get out of it. Like, you know what I'm saying, that just, I mean, one, it puts a stain on their reputation, which already isn't that great when it comes to stuff like that. So, like I said, I think, you know, the F4 may be my last one, my first and my last one. But yeah, and I think that's probably why I won't sell it, because like I said, I just love the F4 so much. It's such an amazing and great bike. Like, I absolutely love it. But like I said, I guess I can just deal with the headache of getting parts for it, later on down the road. But, you know, for me, as far as like anything in the future, like, I think I'm just gonna chill, man. Like, just chill, pump out content for you guys, and just call it a day. But yeah, man, like, with that being said, like, I really appreciate all you guys tuning in and stuff, checking out the videos. Like I said, I didn't even expect to get this far, so I appreciate all the new, subscribers, everyone that comments and likes or shares the videos. Like, I truly do appreciate it, because, like I said, I never planned on any of my videos even getting 1,000 views, and now I have like a handful of videos that are already like over 1,000. Some are in the 2,000-3,000s. So thank you guys very much. Like, I really do appreciate it. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.